Hi everyone, I'm Afi. Welcome to HD Corner. Today we'll be talking about fiber with the title Finer with Fiber. American Association of Cereal Chemists in 2000 defined dietary fiber as the edible parts of plants or analogous carbohydrates that are resistant to digestion and absorption in the human small intestine with complete or partial fermentation in the large intestine. Fiber is simply a type of carbohydrate found naturally in plant-based foods that is not digestible in humans. Dietary fiber includes polysaccharides, oligosaccharides, lignin, and associated plant substances. The most well-known dietary fiber is cellulose, which is a non-starch carbohydrate polymer made of a straight chain of glucose molecules linked by beta bonds. Fiber cannot be digested by human due to the lack of the enzyme that can split the beta linkages in these complex polysaccharides. Although fiber cannot be digested, it is being moved down to the digestive tract as nutrients are being digested and can do some great things that positively impact our health. Dietary fiber is categorized into soluble fiber and insoluble fiber on the basis of their dissolution capability in water, ease of digestion by floral bacteria in intestine, and other chemical properties such as water retention. In insoluble fiber, carbohydrate chain does not dissolve in water, fermentation is limited, and they retain water. Soluble fiber forms a gel-like substance delaying the gastric emptying and also retains water. Cellulose, hemicellulose, and lignin make up the structural part of plants and are classified as insoluble fiber. They can be found in whole wheat flour, bran, whole grains, vegetables, seeds of fruits and vegetables. In contrast, pectins, mucilages, and gums are classified as soluble fibers. They are not broken down by human enzymes, but instead can be metabolized or fermented by bacteria present in the large intestine. They can be found in citrus fruit, apples, strawberries, carrots, oats, legumes, guar, and barley. Plant-based foods that are rich in fiber such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, beans and legumes, and nuts and seeds also contain vitamins, minerals, and other powerful nutrients that the body can use for optimal health, and it has been related to decreased incidence of several diseases. Dietary fiber provides bulk, acts as a broom in our digestive tract to prevent constipation, and recently has been shown to prevent diverticular diseases, reduce incidence of colon cancer, reduce blood cholesterol level, and decrease mucosal abruption. The latter function is important in the dietary management of diabetes mellitus. Besides its benefits for digestive disorders, dietary fiber also beneficial for cardiovascular disease. Dietary fiber intake levels found to be protective against cardiovascular disease. Your body uses bile salts, which are excreted by the gallbladder to break apart the fat content in food. Bile salts are made of cholesterol. When you eat food with fiber, the fiber binds to the bile salts, preventing them from being recirculated for the next time you eat. As a result, your body must produce more bile salts by taking cholesterol from the liver. This is how soluble fiber reduces blood cholesterol. Increasing dietary fiber intakes, particularly by choosing low GI foods, may reduce risk of type 2 diabetes, proven by some researches and experimental evidence. However, further work is needed to determine the role of dietary fiber in pre-diabetes prevention. Dietary fiber may protect against cancer development through increased fecal bulk and decreased transit time, thereby exposing the colorectal epithelium to lower concentrations of carcinogens for shorter amounts of time. It has been suggested that populations that consume diets higher in dietary fiber have lower body weights. In the United States, normal weight and overweight individuals have consistently higher fiber intakes than obese individuals. This evidence is supported by a recent meta-analysis of longitudinal studies showing a small but significant reduction in weight gain over time with increased consumption of dietary fiber and whole grains. Though additional studies examining the impact of diets higher in dietary fiber on body weight are needed. The FNRI DOST recommends a daily intake of 20 to 34 grams dietary fiber comprising 5 to 7 grams of soluble fiber and 15 to 23 grams of insoluble fiber for normal adults. People unusual to high-fiber diets may experience abdominal discomfort upon consuming fiber-rich foods. Too much fiber in the diet interferes with absorption of certain drugs and could irritate mucosal lining of the intestine, can also cause gas, bloating, and diarrhea. Be sure to increase water intake when increasing fiber intake. Dietary fiber is beneficial to health and, if consumed in adequate amounts, reduces the risk of several chronic diseases such as cardiovascular disease, type 2 diabetes, and some cancers. Sources of dietary fiber have the added benefit of naturally occurring micronutrients and phytochemicals that may synergistically improve human health. Meeting the recommended intake of fiber through an increased intake of plant-based foods that has the potential to reduce the leading chronic diseases. You're likely not getting enough fiber, so consider eating more. The best way to get fiber is through natural sources such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, nuts, seeds, and legumes, because these sources also include important vitamins, minerals, and phytonutrients your body needs for optimal health. And just like the title, Finer with Fiber, let us consume more fiber in our diet so that our body health will be better or finer. So, be finer with fiber.